This is a brand new 2013 Jeep Wrangler. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 6-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, a power retractable hardtop, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.